in the candling room, our technicians use high-intensity lights to check for internal defects, ensuring only the highest quality eggs reach the consumer.
Nestled in the Green Hills, this state-of-the-art Korean egg farm represents the pinnacle of modern, efficient food production.
This modern Korean facility utilizes advanced climate control and automation to ensure the health and productivity.
In this model, where Korean hens thrive at adequacy.
Fisheries. In this state-of-the-art facility, the filtered water system ensures a constant supply of fresh, clean water.
In this modern Korean facility, the eggs are collected and sorted with satisfying precision. In this modern facility, the eggs travel along polished stainless steel rails, showcasing the precision.
The temperature in Section 3 is fluctuating slightly.
Yes, but the ventilation systems are compensating automatically. Equipment status remains green.
Are the masks secured?
Yes, we are ready for the vaccination protocol.
Designed for maximum security, the corner protectors ensure stability during transit.
This specialized transport vehicle utilizes advanced suspension systems, guaranteeing a smooth ride for the eggs as they depart our facility.
Welcome to the forefront of modern agriculture, where efficiency meets the highest standards of quality control.
Everything is clear. Please proceed slowly.
Understood.
천천히. 정지. 됐어요.
The eggs move onto the intake conveyor, where smooth rollers gently align them for the next stage of the process.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the eggs are carefully aligned for maximum efficiency. The process ensures perfect spacing. Here we see the sanitizing rinse being applied. The concentration is constantly monitored, ensuring safety and compliance. The newly cleaned eggs are smoothly merged onto the main conveyor line, showcasing the facility's precision automation. Here in the clean, modern facility, the eggs continue their journey, showcasing their perfect, uniform translucence.
Here in the candling room, our technicians use high-intensity lights to check for internal defects, ensuring only the highest quality eggs reach the consumer.
The automated line ensures every egg is perfectly placed into the cooking baskets, maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and efficiency. This cold water immersion process rapidly cools the freshly boiled eggs, stabilizing the internal temperature for optimal quality control. Our advanced optical scanners check each peeled egg for uniformity and surface integrity, guaranteeing the highest quality product. Ensuring freshness, each carton is precisely stamped with the packing and best by dates for complete traceability within the supply chain.
The automated weight check system ensures every carton is accounted for. Should a discrepancy arise, the item is immediately diverted for recheck.
In this modern facility, millions of fresh eggs are stored under precise temperature control, ensuring
Utilizing advanced routing software, we ensure every one of the thousands of pallets moved daily reaches its destination on schedule. In this state-of-the-art facility, Precise inventory rotation guarantees that only the freshest products reach the customer.
자, 많이 먹어.
맛있겠지? 아빠한테 고맙습니다 해야지.
고맙습니다.